Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be opening up some fall fragrance oils and smelling them with you guys. And these are all from Scentec, and if you don't know what Scentec is, it is a Brazilian based company and they make basically really high quality fragrance oils. And I actually, secret for you guys that are just watching this video, they're making me some custom scents so that way I can use them in jelly wax melts, because some scents you can't use in jelly wax, but I wanted the ones that I have in my collection to match, so keep a lookout for that. So they sent me two papers because these were in two different packages, so I've got a lot here to go over with you guys, and I'm really excited. I smelled some of these out of the box and they always smell phenomenal, and their fragrance oils always do really well. So if you're interested in them, I'll have a contact down below that you can get a hold of, and he will help you with whatever you want to do. If you want to make your own custom fragrance oils or get one of these specifically, you can do that. Yep, I got two pieces of paper here, so I'm just going to start grabbing them. They're kind of all mixed together, so I'll have to hunt for which one they are when I smell them. So first off, Family Gathering. So these are all like September, October, November type smells. And this one is a Family Gathering. It smells really good. It almost smells, there's a Bath and Body Works that smells similar to this. Let's see what it says. I don't think it smells a little bit like apple. It's more of a Thanksgiving scent, I think. Oh, actually no, I lied. So half of these are going to be Christmas themed, and then the other half are fall themed. So you guys, if you've got Christmas collection coming up, this is the perfect time probably to go get these fragrance oils. So Family Gathering, it just says floral and fruity. To me, it smells like apples, and clean apples is what it smells like, but not like super tart apples that are, it's not apple on its own, but it's something else with it. And I guess it is a little fruity. It smells really good. It just smells like apple soap, like mellow apple soap. Next up, Spice Harmony. Spicy and fruity. Now I don't have the olfactory profiles like I did last time. I guess these are the olfactory profiles, but I don't have like specific notes of them. So you guys will just have to imagine with me. Ooh. This one smells like it's reminding me of something. It smells like bubblegum a little bit, and I know that sounds weird. Bubblegum and apple is what this one smells like. Spice Harmony though, it's not spicy. It smells like apples and bubblegum. That's really good. And these fragrance oils, they smell so good you could just about, I know this sounds awful to say, you could drink them out of the bottle, but don't do that. But they smell that good. Ooh, Christmas Magic. Here's the first Christmas one. Christmas Magic, spicy and fruity. Ooh, that one's a little bit more stout. Of course, with the Christmas, it's got a little bit of the cinnamon in it. Cinnamon and a little bit of apple, but it's like a tart apple and like a tart cinnamon. It smells good though, and I'm sure it would translate better into a candle than me smelling it out of the bottle. That one's really nice. It's a very, you could put it in a almost nostalgic type collection. Let me separate these. Okay, so Christmas over here, fall over here. Next up, Rogue Snowflake. Now this one is a Christmas one as well. Floral, oriental, and fruity. Whew. This one smells like a cologne, a Christmas cologne. That's nice though. I wish I knew like better describing words for these to give them more credit, but they're all very, if you smell these, they're very complex fragrances. They have a lot of notes in them which make them like very unique. If you did a collection, nobody's gonna have like these scents. It smells like a Christmas cologne. Maybe pine is what I'm smelling. Pine and like if you went to the Alps and you smelled a rogue snowflake, that's what it would be. But it's a masculine scent. It's not too masculine where it wouldn't be gender neutral. But I like it. It smells like a Christmas cologne. So Rogue Snowflake. And by the end of this video, I will be sure to tell you guys which one of these is my favorite. And if you are gonna go get one, I'll tell you which one you should go get. And I think one of these smelling on the bottle, I may use when I have my next candle collection because it just smells so good. So Taste of Fall. So this one is another fall one. Fruity blend. Yep. It smells like you're prancing through a cranberry and apple field. This one smells like edible. Yeah, like cranberry and spiced apple mixed together. I like that one. Next up, Fall Night. Now, when they say night in them, I always love the night scent. Whew. Yep, because they are always really, really spicy. Reminds me of festivals. This has this, it smells similar to the one from the last time Scentec sent me some, but it's a little bit spicier. I'll have to pop it up on screen what this one smells like. But it's just a spicy version of that fragrance oil. Next up, Apple Crisp. Okay, so this one probably smells like apple. Yep, this one smells like you juiced an apple and you made it into a fragrance oil. Smells really good. It smells like if you've used the apple like fragrance mist from Bath & Body Works. So very similar to this, like clean, crisp apple. This would be a good one to mix with other things. So that's fall. Next up, pumpkin spice. I'm excited for this one. Floral and spicy, all factory profile. Whew. Yep. That reminds me of something actually. If you've ever been to like a fall festival or go to Pig Pumpkins or something like that, and they've got like a cider stand, but instead of apple cider, it's like pumpkin, and it's just a little bit spicy. Oh, pumpkin pie, that's what I'm thinking of. It smells like how pumpkin pie, the cinnamon and the pumpkin mixed together. That was delicious. All of these, like I said, you could drink them. It would probably, you'd have to go to the hospital, but you could drink them. Don't actually drink them. They're just nice to smell. It's like the Kourtney Kardashian or Kim Kardashian meme.
I can't eat this, but how exciting is it to smell it?
Okay, this one's, I'm a stargazer. I'm not sure which. Ooh, pine, yep. This is like the perfect, this is actually nostalgic to me because when I was young, we would go to a specific relative's house and they would have candles that would smell like pine, and this smells how their house did when I was a kid. It smells really good. Pine is one of my favorite like fragrance types, so I'm probably a little bit biased. So if you don't like pine, you won't like this, but if you love pine, this is exactly what you're looking for. I'm a stargazer. That's delicious. I really like that one. I might set that one apart from the other ones. Now, I didn't make a candle this time because there were just so many, and I probably would have had to make like 3 or 4 to get all my favorites in there. But like I said, by the end of the video, I will tell you guys which one is my favorite. Mystic Bourbon. Yep. Feels like bourbon. If you make like alcohol type candles, this is really good. It's like a fall alcohol type scent. Yeah, it's like leafy kind of. Floral, oriental, and fruity. Yeah, it's fruity, and then it's the bourbon scent in there as well. But if you make alcohol themed candles, this would be really good for like a fall themed collection. Okay, bourbon maple. So here's another bourbon one. Ooh. Bourbon maple, and it just says sweet. Yes. Very sweet with the maple profile and then bourbon, and basically just mixed together. It kind of smells more, now that it's evaporated a little bit, it smells more like maple syrup. So if you want to make a maple syrup candle with a hint of bourbon, there you go. The maple is good. The Pumpkin Patch Cat has not maple, but caramel. It kind of gives me the same vibes as this candle. Okay, frosted fir. Smells similar to the I'm a Stargazer with the pine, but this is fir. So these are both like, if you've ever been to somebody's house and they do like the pine and fir candles for Christmas, it smells just like that. Yep, it just says frosted fir and it says pine on it as well. This one smells like a more pure pine. Now I like the other one better because it, to me, gives more of a candle vibe. It's got other things in it with it. But if you wanted like a good mixture, this one's good. Next, Christmas Spark. Ooh. Now this one gives me a lot of Bath & Body Works in the wintertime vibes. It smells like the one that they have that is the, it's like the red one that's Christmas time only. But this smells like the lotion that they have. It just is oriental and floral. Yeah, this one it smells like a feminine like perfume or lotion for Christmas time. I'll have what it smells like up here, like that other one. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but it smells just like it. That one's really good. Next up, Pain au Chocolat. Probably said that all wrong. It's okay. Yep, chocolate. It will probably just say, yep, sweet. It smells like a chocolate bar. This one will be also a good one to mix with other things. If you wanted a chocolate, like maple bourbon or chocolate, I don't know, pine, something like that. But yeah, it smells like a chocolate bar. Okay, next, Christmas Champagne. Now this one, champagne might be what I'm thinking of for the Christmas spark, but it's like in a red and like pink bottle, if I remember right. Ooh, this one also again, perfect like perfume smell. It says oriental and floral, but this also is, it gives Bath & Body Works, I think it's the champagne one, but this one actually smells better than that one. It's a little bit more richer and in depth, like all these, there's a lot of depth to them, so they're hard to describe, but that also means they're very unique smells. That one is, I love that one too. Now, if you like the descriptions I'm saying for these, they can make them like skin safe, soap safe, whatever needs you need them for, they can do that, which is really cool. And you just work with them and say, hey, I like the Christmas spark, can you make it skin safe for like a soap or lotion or whatever? They can do like literally anything. Finally, this one was my favorite coming out of the boxes. And I bet you can't guess what scent type it is. Vanilla cupcake. Delicious. Smells like an actual cupcake from like a really fancy bakery that had like real vanilla bean. Oh my gosh. That one is amazing. Let's see what it just says sweet. It does smell sweet and it's perfect. Now this one might be used in a later collection because it is just like the perfect vanilla smell. It's not the vanilla where it's like perfuming. This is vanilla that has depth, and it's vanilla that smells like the actual food. Like it smells like a vanilla cupcake from like a fancy place, like the buttercream kind of type smell with it. That's amazing. This one is definitely my favorite. So if you want a really good vanilla, now I haven't used any candles, so I can't vouch for how well they do, but everyone that I've tried in candles does amazing. Vanilla cupcake would be my favorite, and then probably my next favorites would be the Christmas, the pine ones smell really good. The I'm a Stargazer, I think. Yep, I'm a Stargazer. If you want the nostalgic Christmas, that was probably my second favorite. And then probably Christmas Smart. Christmas Smart kind of reminds me of my mom. Yep, it smells just like the Bath and Body Works. And that's like, it's amazing that they can make that smell and then make it smell even better and have more depth to it. But there they all are. And once again, I'll have a contact. You can just email and just say, hey, I saw Sweet Star Candle's video of these fragrance oil, and she said that this one would be really good. You know, would you be able to make it into soap or for like jelly wax melts, which they're making for me right now. But they can do literally everything. It's like magic. You just say, I want this, this, and this, and they just do it. But thank you to Scentec for sending all of these to me. I will be probably making some Christmas candles and stuff for this holiday season to give to friends and family, and also to burn around that time. So thank you to Scentec. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I will be coming out with a lot more YouTube videos coming up since I have more time to do so. But thank you again everyone for watching. Thank you again to 500 subscribers if you guys didn't see all of those videos. And congratulations to the winners again. I hope you guys enjoy your jelly wax melts. Thank you again everyone for watching, and I will see you guys in a couple days.